Good morning, everyone. It is Monday. Guys, if you are just new to this channel following my future success, I'm going to drop the most knowledge I've probably ever done in a video and break down trade by trade of exactly how to use these metrics on not only NinjaTrader, but also available on TradingView, and also with this key that I give you guys showing exactly how to spot these entries. And so far this morning had a really good success rate. I want to take a second and just give a huge shout out to Ron. Ron is actually one of my affiliates who goes live every Tuesday and Thursday in a private group. And this morning absolutely crushed it. You guys are probably familiar with NinjaTrader and being able to show entries and exits. There was 6 trades called out this morning, and every single one of these ended up winning, going for 5 points each. That is 30 points this morning. Ron, well done, and congratulations to everyone who is doing that. But let's say you're not part of that team yet, and you're debating kind of going over there. What could you potentially do on your own with these metrics right away? Well, let me go over that right now on this chart and look over every single opportunity that presented for myself that followed our A+ quality short position to a T. So the first thing I want you guys to do is I want you to look at your overall momentum and your trend, right? This line on here is a 200 EMA. I'm on the 1 minute time frame because that is what Ron was trading on this morning, and that was what I was looking at positions. Now, to look for a short, what do you have to happen? What is your entry criteria? When you have a black background, this means bearish. When you get that first changeover from green to red, that is a momentum shift. Your first bearish candle, Hiekin Ashi candle, you can enter right at the close of that white dot. You can then have your stop loss at the very top, and you shoot for 50% of target. You'd actually be surprised at how many times this actually works. And I want you to try this out too. I want you to grab these metrics and be able to be like, shoot me an email directly. You have my email in the description of this video. Say, Justin, I tried this out myself. This worked really well. I want to hear what you guys are seeing. But let's look through every opportunity so far this morning from market open. And let's just go through this real quick. Market open was right here around 6:30, right? Right afterwards, we end up getting a break below the 200. Now, this isn't a switch from green to red, but for me, a market open dictates where you're actually going to be heading. So this was red. So how do you play this? You enter right at that white dot. Blow it up here a little bit for you guys. Enter right at the white dot. You already have your stop loss in place, right? So it's going to go up to the top here, and then your target. So something that you can do is, what I like to do at least, is I like to use this ruler tool over here, or the risk to reward. And all you have to do is just place, you go like this, you drag it, and you say, okay, if that's my entry, there's my stop loss, well, then that's my target. So on your custom field over here, if you guys are trading multiple take profit accounts, let's say you're trading 5 accounts, go ahead and adjust this. Just edit your strategy to maybe, I have it always at like 100 up, 100 down. And then all I do is I manually adjust it, and I put my stop loss there, my take profit here, and literally moments afterwards, my target is hit. So that's just the first trade. Let's go over the second one real quick. This one right here worked out really well as well. We're below the 200, had that impulse back up, changeover, right? Changeover, which is good. So we have that strong candle. This is literally a key to success right here, guys. Seriously. You just follow this alone. This ended up making money this morning, right? Did it have bigger movements down? Sure. Could you have, this ended up being 13 ticks, which is just a ratio of 50% from target. But if you want to play it down to a level of support, you can go down here. There's nothing wrong with that. This is just a strategy that I found that works really well. Could you play to a level of support or close to it and take out 23 ticks instead of 13? Sure, you absolutely could. But I like to go for higher win rate percentage trades, right? Let's go through it again. So what is that, 2 trades so far? Opening trade, 2 trades so far. Then we end up getting this one. Impulse back up. All we're doing is looking at the key over here, right? Shooting down, black, red, 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 entry, stop loss, take profit, ends up coming straight down at the bottom. Perfect, ends up getting hit. Runs a little bit more, probably about 66 ticks. But this again is already pre-populated because you're going to adjust your stop loss and take profit with your bracket orders on NinjaTrader. So that's another winner. And I think there was one more that happened right afterwards. Yep, there we go. This one ended up coming down. See, black background, shoot for 50%, 40 ticks. So during the training session this morning, that is what we were experiencing. So, we have 40. Let's add this up real quick. That is 103. 103 plus 13 is 116. 116 plus 17 is what, 123? If I'm doing my math right, it's 123 ticks divided by 4. Look, about a 30-point profit this morning just by following these metrics alone. That's literally just loading this onto NinjaTrader, putting this key to the left side of your screen, just like I have it here, and knowing, all right, well, if this is my long position, I go long. This is my short position, I go short. Now, could you tell yourself, I know you're probably going to ask this question, Justin, why didn't you take like these trades here, going long and going long? Let me give you some advanced advice right now that is really crucial. If you're trading the 1 minute time frame, the 200 EMA is a magnet. So if you're getting your inverse trades like this, you want to just be going for just below the 200, right? So if you enter in on this trade, I want you to take your profit target and put it right below. If you enter in on this trade, I want you to take your profit target and put it right below. If you enter in on this trade and it's really close to the 200 EMA, I don't want you to take it, right? Did it still work? Yeah, it ended up working over here. But guys, go for some high accuracy winning trades that really do work. You know, could you say here, all right, well, let's look at this. Could you have taken a long position here? Yeah, this was actually really good. Was this above the 200 EMA? Yeah. Was this a long position going long? Yeah. Enter in, stop loss, you know, very minimum, right? Let's just look at minimum. You're going to put you're going to go like this. You're going to go here, here, already populated. You're shooting for, so you enter right at this candle close. So when this candle's counting down to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom, enter it in. Stop loss, take profit, 41 ticks right afterwards. So 41 ticks is about what? 10 points, I believe. 10 points right there. Now, if you're trading 5 micros, you know, that's $100 right there. 5 TPT accounts, that's $500 just on a quick little trade like that. You know, you can ask yourself, how many times can you do that a day? But this is what I'm looking at myself. Ron is doing incredible, crushing it lately in the live trading group. So a couple things available for you guys. Let me just go over this real quick. So in the description of this video, you guys are going to be able to do this. NinjaTrader is actually now available. So this is something I've been working on a while. Sorry, you guys, I wasn't on YouTube the last week. My wife was actually in the hospital from Monday to Saturday going through some health issues. So I was off, and I'm now back on, more excited than ever to get on and do education. But NinjaTrader is officially out right now. When you're on this page, you can also join the live trading group that Ron hosts every Tuesday and Thursday. And I do go on there once in a while as kind of a guest, as the founder of these metrics and this channel, to be able to give my input as well, and the team is growing really quick. So that's where you could do both of those. Again, remember, this is also, if you prefer TradingView, I do also have this for TradingView as well that you can use. And then real quickly, anyone who does currently have or is looking to purchase 550K accounts through Take Profit Trader, shoot me a screenshot of that. And what I'll do is I add you to a free call. I do a Zoom call every first and third Friday. Ironically, this Friday is actually the next one I'm doing. If you purchase that and you either use My Future Success as the promo code, you know, in the video. So if you just go over it and you do My Future Success when you buy these accounts, not only will it give you the max amount of discount, but it'll register your account for those free calls. And I actually do that for life. As long as I have this business, I'm going to continue to do those free calls, giving the best education for myself, the founder of these metrics. So you guys, I hope you found some education in this video. I have an amazing time with all of you. Sorry I wasn't on last week. Had some trouble things with YouTube, and then also my wife going into the hospital. But I am back at it, excited more than ever to end this year extremely strong and build a community unlike any other. All right, guys, take care. God bless. Have a great day.